Hey there. Today we are making strawberry sour cream Jello salad. It's so delicious and easy to make. So let's get started. First, we need a small package of strawberry Jello, can of crushed pineapple, sour cream, partially thawed frozen strawberries, and one banana. In the large bowl, we're going to add our strawberry Jello, and we're going to take one hot boiling cup of water, and we're going to give it a good stir and let it sit for a minute. Then we're going to add our strawberries and then our crushed pineapple with the mashed banana. And we're going to give that a nice little stir. And there you go. Now we're going to take a Pyrex dish. I'm using an 8x8. And I'm going to go ahead and pour half of the Jello fruit mixture, and we're going to take a spoon and kind of spread it out evenly, and then we're going to freeze it for 30 minutes. Once it's done freezing for 30 minutes, it should be set, and then we're ready to add our sour cream. And then we're going to spread that sour cream nice and evenly, and then we're going to pour the remaining fruit Jello mixture on top, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing and try not to disturb the sour cream as much as possible. If you do, it won't hurt it. So delicious. So next we're going to cover it and we're going to let it set in the refrigerator. This could either set for a few hours or you can do it overnight. I like to make it the night before I need to take it to a dinner, and after it's set, you can enjoy it. It is so delicious. If you would like to try this recipe, you can find the directions and the list of ingredients down below in the description. If you could please take a moment, please like, or you can even subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. Thanks. See you in the next one. Goodbye.